live by that.
No, you said 12 to 12:30, right? Is that the permissible time? Is that the permissible time?
Possible to play at that time?
Even that 12 to 12:30 is the permissible time. Is it? Is it?
Maybe not. I'm
You
not
just
aware of
confirm me that.
Up to
Is it? No. Is it a permissible time to play a music even till 12 to 12:30? Is it?
it. Up to 12 so we can.
Is it? What is the permissible time? What is the permissible time?
That's what I'm.
You tell me, being a manager here, you know, no, is it? You have the permission to play by 12:30 or by 12.
Normally music.
Is it a permissible time? Is it a permissible time? You own on your set that you played the music last night by 12 to 12:30. नाही ते बाउन्सर साईड चला माझा हात दुखला त्याला मला काय मारतो हा?
No, Wednesday he played.
Is it a permissible time to play loud music after 10 o'clock? Is it? You on your own set you played the loud music last night by 12:30, right? Is it a permissible time?
I'm not aware of.
Why you being a manager here? Get lost. Go. Move.
I think maybe we should try to do our discussion.
What? One more thing I will give this guarantee.
Next time.
No, एक मिनट नेक्स्ट टाइम से बंद कर रहे हैं कब से बंद कर रहे हैं बाय व्हाट टाइम व्हाट इज नो यू मैनेजिंग दिस प्लेस सर 10:30 लिसन
एकदम म्यूजिक डाउन.
no this music travels
No, sir.
yeah, okay you tell me one thing music and light travels by what medium air from here goes way how it travels even if you lower down it will it not travel to the places down there the people staying here will it not
That's what I'm saying.
will it not or
Sorry.
yes or not
It won't happen again.
so you will stop it by 10 okay
I got it. I got the whole point. That's why I'm
People are
saying
getting
sorry.
trouble.
Extremely sorry for that. It won't get me.
and the person who is coming here talking about the things going around who is this situated somewhere else is not supposed to stop ending shit up started talking to him I'm not the manager if he's not a manager let him be the manager of the place where he is situated not here right okay
Also, I complained today also to Sarpanch also. He said, I'm going to stop. This guy is from Pollution Control Board. He make a complaint to Pollution Control Board. This guy also, they make a complaint to pollution.
see we have no issue
We don't have to make your business stop because you also
business
make a
is there we have this tourism business because the people around this area earn because of tourism but not at this cost
You can make your business
That
indoor.
won't repeat.
Huh?
Please, sir.
or else don't do that to me please if you want to run out this place for the whole night have a sound control thing have a proper sound control and a soundproofing thing
Right.
we have no issues till the sound comes out
Right.
you dance out there you run out there you die out there we have no issue
Sure.
but after 10 if this continues
Noted, sir. Noted. Absolutely noted. It won't get me.
I came here with
You
bare
can
hands
take it.
I will come here with something in my hand
You can take
just
it.
don't tell me
It won't happen.
Please, sir.
because you are suffering
Because we are our down business. 25 years I am making business over here. This guy, these people, they are coming here long time. Means 10 years, every year they are coming here. They are staying one month. But don't do like this because I also local.
suffering out of it.
I have also local.
You have no right to make them suffer. They come here to relax.
I'm not doing anything like that.
You are doing it. You are doing it.
whatever happened, I'm sorry, man,
Okay,
for that.
okay,
It won't
okay.
get
Next time,
repeated.
sir. Next time,
Give
please,
me a
sir.
chance.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We are giving you a chance, but the only and the last chance. If that happens again, if it comes to me, I'll come with something bad on. I'll be sure about that. And I don't really care whoever you call, whoever cops and whatever you call. I don't care.
No, guys.
I
No.
think
my
we
people
will
are,
behave.
if
No,
my
we
local,
need your
see, if
support.
my local
We
people are
need
suffering,
actually
I'll
your
be
support to
like
grow ahead,
really bad.
guys.
No, you can grow your business. We don't mind.
We have no issues.
Huh?
Do the soundproofing. Have a soundproofing. Have a club here. We have no issues. The only thing that
People
sound
also-
shouldn't come out of it.
People also like music. But what about don't disturb other people. Huh? Please, sir. Huh? You can.
I
You
have
can
no
do your
issues.
business.
We have-
I don't have any
Been
problem.
to Tito's.
Huh?
You've been to Tito's. You've been to Tito's. In the around the vicinity of the discotheque, outside of the wall, in the restaurant, you have no sound coming out. Go ahead this way. You run out for 24 hours. They have no issues. If the sound travels with the air, to the person, your people who are making the business, it will be very bad for you. I'll being very strict and being very frank about it. Whoever speak to us should be responsible about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, last thing. Mr. Manoj has already explained you the way we are affected. As a member of Noise Pollution Control Committee, it's my duty to inform you that you are bound to take permission. And I have learned, I have verified that you have not obtained any permission. See, this may be the last opportunity. From tomorrow you have stated that you are going to be within a control. But I also request you to go and apply for the permission from Deputy Collector. If you are well aware about it, then it's okay. If not, then I am giving you some more information. Otherwise, the next time
tomorrow
I will,
is Sunday. Day after tomorrow, Monday.
but
Whatever the
second thing,
paperwork commenting.
apart from telling this, I am also informing you that this is a silent zone. You are not allowed to play the music till after 10. You are not in the before
Achha.
10, but that's a separate issue. But
that
as of it's
license you are
license.
talking.
So you have to get the license. Then still you are for the 15 days we were point. That doesn't
Right.
don't take us for granted.
No, sir,
Okay?
not at all. Not at all.
We hope that you are given assurance. to
This
Mr. Manoj
will be done on an
and to the
immediate
locals.
basis on Monday.